Why choose decking with the solid core difference? It's the only wood composite board that can be installed on the ground, in the ground, or underwater. For unbeatable performance in virtually any environment, season after season. Unlike other composite brands, we fully encapsulate every wood fiber to create a permanent barrier against water absorption. And because there's no exposed wood fiber, it won't act as a food source for insects, helping to protect your deck against common causes of damage, rot, and breakage. Compare that to wood decking, which can absorb water and is susceptible to insects, weather, and moisture. Over time, wood decks begin to break down, which means the cost of regular maintenance and refinishing can really add up. In fact, homeowners with wood decks say that their biggest regrets are high maintenance, splintering, and warping. Give your deck the solid core difference and enjoy the next level in outdoor living with MoistureShield decking.